Oh, little boy.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
Getting Dusty pats. I love getting Dusty pats. Because she's so cute.
Oh, wow!
Ah, look at that. Worked out absolutely perfectly.
Favourite.
That's it. We thought today we might have a little chat about young Mocha. He's been coming for a little while now, Brit.
Yeah, twice a week.
Yeah, absolutely smashing in the cardio routine.
Yeah, he's loving it.
He's looking really, really good. Yeah, he's a beautiful, beautiful boy.
He doesn't stop.
He absolutely loves getting some attention. He will come in and get a cuddle and a scratch at any time.
Especially when he's soaking wet, because he loves swimming too.
Yeah, he's got a big thing about pushing into you. But yeah, you're right, Brit. Yeah, he's big booty. He loves the water, loves swimming around. It's really taken on the doggy days way.
Taking on the treasure hunt time too.
Yeah, but he's a fun boy. Love having him here. Mocha, he's a super good boy.
He is. He's cute. You're cute.
We've learnt here at Doggy Days and Farms Days that the dogs that get along are the ones that share, sticks together. So River and Jarvis. Nala, you gonna join in? Get it! Get the stick! Get the stick! Photos. Oh! All right, all the dogs.
Are waiting.
They're pumped. Everyone's pumped. Jimmy's pumped. He's excited. That's because Kev's got the
Lure.
lure.
Lure. Luke's is all pumped. It's her favourite.
You love it, little girl. Loops is a big fan of the lure. All right, shouldn't be too much longer now.
Yep.
And we'll get the lure action going.
Yep.
Huzzah.
we go now.
Good boy, Katie! Good boy, Katie!
Here we go now. Here we go now.
What's up, Jez? Hey?
These two. What are you doing now? My goodness. You're a cutie, bud. Oh, you reckon?
Yes, baby kiss.
Alright, that time of the day.
Done.
All done and dusted. Thursday. Thoughtful Thursday. Thinking Thursday. You need to come up with one.
I know I was going to say. Not good for camera.
I thought of
Thirsty. No.
Nah, you can't say thirsty Thursdays.
Well, the dogs were thirsty today.
Okay, fair enough.
Treasure hunt. Treasure hunt Thursdays.
Treasure Thursdays.
Treasure Thursdays.
Thursday treasures?
Yep.
Alright, we'll run with that.
Yep.
Anyway, we've waffled on.
Yep.
It's been fun.
Got the lure out again.
Yeah, it's good to get the lure out. Obviously with the weather changing, it's always cool to see.
Yeah.
Till next time.
Like and subscribe. Toodaloo.
Excellent. To the sky.